Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show y'all this fan brush I got from BeautyBigBang. This is the number you look up. You can go to the search bar and just type in these numbers right here and this brush will pop up. So it comes in this package, and then when you take it out it looks like this. It's so pretty. It has different purple shades in it. It has white, purples, and pinks. And then it has crystals in here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. You can use this fan brush to do like sugar nails. Let me show you. So if you want to do sugar nails, all you would do is get some glitter and your top coat. And then take your glitter and then just get your fan brush and just pick some up. And then you cure it, top it off, cure. Once it's dried, you could use your fan brush too to just wipe off all the excess, so to make sure it doesn't have any loose glitter on it. That's how you could use this fan brush. You could use this for dip powder when you're dipping your nail and your dip powder, and then you have to brush off the excess. You could use this also. So be sure to check out the description box because I will leave a link for this product. I also have a 10% off coupon code, so be sure to check out the description box for that as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.